Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to use flags by Bascript on Rocky Linux 9.2. Handling flags in Bascript allow user to customize the script behavior and provides greater flexibility and usability. The getopts command is suitable for handling short options, while in extended approaches enables handling both short and long options. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to create a script file named flags.sh by using Vim text editor. .sh is an extension of Bascript. Press I to insert mode. In the first line, I'm going to add shebang symbol /bin/bash, which is used to instruct the operating system to use bash as a command interpreter. Next, I'm going to enter the simple script to use flags on Bascript. After completing the script, save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to give the executable permission for the script file. Long list the files by using the following command. This is our script file with the executable permission. Next, I'm going to execute the script by using // command. Here I am going to enter the flag to check the free space. Again run the script. Here I am going to enter the flag to display information about total space and available space on the file system. Again run the script. Here I am going to enter the flag to check our OS version. By this way you can use flags on bash script using Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.